I did not want today to go by without recognizing this 3-year mark. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we have a different video today. So today marks the 3-year anniversary of this channel and the very first video published. I absolutely cannot believe it. So let's see where we are. We are at 1,529 subscribers, a total of 116,000 views, 3,677 watch hours. Now that's hours, and I'll show you. Okay, so I have not looked at this in a long time, but let's just go back and look at the first video and where it was and how far it's come. So went back and added these, and this is just, yeah, it was here. Let's see, let me transition that. So yeah, that was actually the very, yeah, that was the first one. I didn't know sizing, didn't know if I was going to have a script. But it's just assigning a string, so I guess I didn't need a script then. But yeah, I can't. I try not to go back and watch these, and I'm glad that I have them in sequential order, titled, or sometimes I look at them. But okay, all right. So now this is the old analytics, but here's the stuff that I really like. So here's the first 365 days. So this is the first year from March 19th through March 18th. So that was 2 days and 14 hours. So that's 48 hours, 4 to 15, 50, 62. All right. And then 2,000 views. 2,000 views in the first year. And only had 15 likes, 8 total comments. I forgot that I took a break here. I completely forgot this. I guess I was just trying to get going and get started. But I went back and I looked, and I didn't publish any videos for like 3 months. And I think that's pretty normal for a YouTube channel to get started. But all right, this is the part that I like. 83% in the United States, then 13% in Indonesia. And here are the top few videos. So this number triangle was the top video, and that kind of catapulted. So I want to make sure that you guys know how much I appreciate, because you guys had to dig and find this stuff. So, all right. So here we are in the past. This is just the last 365 days. So 18 through 16. The delay in the old one is 2 days behind, where the newer is only a day behind. So, all right, here we go. So the last 365, this is watch minutes. 167,000, and that ends up being 116 days. But 1,800 likes and 279 comments and a whole bunch of shares. That's what I really can't tell you guys thank you enough about, is you guys spreading the word and sharing, because this is all developed because I dreamed of what channel would I want if I were to be back starting over learning. But here's what's very cool is 42% United States, 35 India, and 14% female and 86 male. So let's just go ahead and do the lifetime, and we can just see this chart right there. That's what just blows me away. Total views, total watch time. and yeah, the total time has stayed about consistent of total things. So I did not want today to go by without recognizing this 3-year mark and telling you guys thank you for everything that you guys are doing. And it had a new poll put out, and you guys have already been contributing, and we already just gained a subscriber just during this video. So because you guys keep me motivated. This is what, like I was saying, there was well, here, let's just go ahead and look at the gap. So came out of the I broke one of the rules. I came out of the gate strong, and I started publishing multiple videos a day instead of stretching this out. So what? I did 1, then 2, then 3. I was just full of gumption, and then I already took 5 days off, and then I took another break, and then I came back. So it was really choppy. I guess I forgot there was 3 more. Oh, I forgot all this. And I think I experimented with doing 4 a week. I wanted to see, or no, I went to 1 a week. That was it. And then I realized that nobody was watching. I was getting 2 subscribers a month. So I noticed that there was a direct relationship, or I thought the direct relationship was the number of, I got half of the subscribers of the videos that I did. But I've actually noticed that I get about, right now I'm averaging 63 subscribers, a subscriber for every 63 views. And that's been pretty consistent. So you guys are very much appreciated. You guys keep me motivated, keep me on my toes. And I just wanted to take a second to recognize the 3 years and tell you guys thank you very much. And we'll just see where this leads. But if you know anybody who's wanting to learn Python, please share this with them and share these links and this channel, because I want everybody to have a place to come and have their questions answered. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.